Modern life depends on timely logistics. Being on time is critical, from fruits and vegetables coming home to children coming home from school on time. Everything we do at Eicher, from designing reliable trucks to online real-time monitoring of our vehicles in operation, is with the singular purpose of improving uptime for our customers. This video is a celebration of our uptime journey. Enjoy the moves.
Uptime है तो on time है, on time है क्योंकि uptime है.
Uptime is a commitment to put back vehicle on road on time every time. This requires competence, processes, technology, and of course a lot of commitment and hard work put in by the team. For Eicher, uptime means on time.
Uptime is not just a service commitment, it's a movement. And each of us at Eicher have a role to play. This video showcases the passion of the team at Eicher, and it also serves as an inspiration for each of us to deliver uptime every time. Uptime है तो on time है.
Uptime है तो on time है, on time है क्योंकि uptime है.